Wonderful people, welcome back again to my channel. How una dey? Hope na dey sweet. As for me, I dey bim. So today we get to matter for our table. One na about Tonto Dike. Tonto Dike don come out, eh? Hey. He can't talk. In fact, Tonto don declare war on top Baba Ijesha case. And secondly, na about Kiss Daniel. So make we still fly with Kiss Daniel. So my people, hey, this thing now, where they happen now, I know they understand them again. When a woman born pikin like this, when a woman born small baby, when a woman just puts birth to a baby, you go to hear the cry, you go to hear cry, wee. And the cry where you go to hear now, cry from a baby to show say, this baby just land like this. The baby don't land fresh. You don't enter the world fresh. But Kiss Daniel just come out now, come talk say he don born pikin, he get twin pikin. Na him I come dey hear cry now. Wee, I turn my left now. Wee, I turn my right now. Wee. I look up and down, I still dey hear. E be like say the cry just dey follow me. I come say, make I pack well and put my ear for ground. I say, wetin make, as in why I dey hear this cry? Na him I come say na babe so. Girls they cry now because the Kiss Daniel say you don't get pikin. Fact they talk say no be the plan where they get. Say Kiss Daniel don't scatter their plan. You don't break their hearts because na them they expect na him go be their own baby daddy. Hey, as in this cry no be joke at the joke. Na true at the talk now. So many babes, their hearts don't they shattered. Say, how this fine bobo go just leave them like this? Go, give belly to another babe. And I know say, now inside some months back, now in Kiss Daniel come and come talk, say in they get health challenges, as in he open up to him fans to tell them what they really suffer in life. Say, if they use him feet, if he stand up, if he walk, he can't open up. And he can't talk, say, Baba God don't help him, say, he thank God for his health. The way things they look, now say, they look okay. So the Baba don't come out now, come announce another good news, Babe, no, they happy. And this baby daddy thing, we just they happy. Be like saying the new trend for Nigeria. It be like saying the new trend because I dey hear now people they ask say Burna Boy say why he be say he never join the trend. I be something do in Kukumba. Say why he never join the gang of baby daddies because anywhere you turn now baby daddies they reign. In fact, not be only baby daddy not be baby daddy from one woman no. Now baby daddy from different women in they reign. So they call the ask and say why Burna Boy never want join the gang? It be like say if you never join the gang, you never follow. Hey, it be like say the mentality we get for Nigeria of that marriage. We say we get the mentality where we say if you want have pikin, you go first of all come marry your partner. Una go come get una parents blessing, church blessing, court blessing, anywhere where you want, just get the blessings of your elders. Una go enter room, go dance, baby, kurukere dance. And after the dance, baby can start coming. But now, it be like say the standard don't change. It be like say the standard don't change. It be like say now, if you get baby daddy, you don't belong. As if you be baby daddy, you don't belong. If you don't be baby daddy, you don't belong. As you never belong. My people. It did very funny. Anyway, I still dey happy for this guy. Kiss Daniel, we never know who the baby mama be. The guy just they live a very low profile life. Yeah, they live a low profile life. They live, they put in relationship for social media, and right now we don't know who be the baby mama. But for the baby's name, from the name where we say in named baby, be like say this baby no be Nigerian, no, because people they ask say which kind baby name be this one? Why you no name them, our traditional names? Why? Name wey be say like say they be American people. He called the twin. He said na their name na Jelani and Jalil. Then they ask say which kind name be that one? Anyway, updates concerning Kiss Daniel. I could still wish her congratulations on her because last he don't become Papa and now double celebration according to him. He talk say today now also in birthday, so not be only picking way in the celebrate. So Baba God decided to bless him and he decided to announce the good, the blessing for Baba God don't give him on his birthday. So now make we move on to Tonto Dike. So my people, I know this thing we just they fly for internet, about Baba Ijesha and the way the police they take the matter, they know they take am serious because they know see for the CCTV say the guy really, put in something inside the small picking thing and that one they even wake me. Now it make me I don't even want to talk about it because if I dey talk about am, e go dey vex me because inside Nigeria, e be like say we no get law, we no get system. You understand me? So e just be like say Tonto Dike just talk am how e dey my mind. Tonto Dike come out like this, she come dey talk say she no trust the Lagos police, their way just dey crooked because for the fact say they wan see wey be say Papa Ijesha dey do the kill before they go believe say this guy say e na Syria. This guy wey be say him dey do this kind thing, e be like e mean say no be today e don start am and to know say this guy even do am 7 years ago. No be only this guy dey do this. So this is a very serious case and not to be treated in any way lightly, like saying that okay, if the guy just touch the little girl, e no be crime. Like this guy fumble with this pikin watermelon, he fumble the thing. He come tell us say make him, oh my god, abeg I no even wan talk am, e just dey vex me. So Tonto Dike don come out, he come write say I knew this would happen, hence I have been pushing for this case to be transferred to Abuja. I don't mind taking care of accommodations, security, and transportation for victims' team. I said it. This is, this is war. Because of my inside knowledge of this case, it is really going to be a war. What did she talk here be say? The war where she dey talk be say, na war between Nigerian government. Because I know how it be say, for inside the one Nigeria, they like truth. They like to always try to cover up things when they happen. If you get money, you go fit buy your way out of the system, which they very bad because this case now a very serious case. This guy this same thing wey be say they catch am, they do am to other pikin. It's just that im cup don full. So Tonto Dike dey talk say she no go allow this case make it rest until they do the right thing. Say she ready to spend her money. I really commend her for that. And for that actress wey they call Buki, wey come out dey talk say, hey, e dey defend the guy wey be say they see her for for CCTV wey be say in dey molest the girl, they abuse the girl, they touch the girl where you no supposed to touch her. Hey, you come out still dey talk say, yeah, Baba Ijesha no dey like person wey go do am. They write am for face, they know they write am for face. Now only Baba God go judge you. Yes, I no go use my mouth judge you. Now Baba God go judge you. Anyway, my brother people, now here I go just end this gist. Thank you guys for watching. Leave me una thoughts for inside comment section. I go see you for my next video. Bye bye yo. Let it go.